So tell us something PK के बारे में जो कोई नहीं जानता, जो सिर्फ आप जानती हैं. Like, is he a calm person? Does he have short temper?
He's a very short-tempered person.
How do you deal with that?
No, not that he keeps throwing at home, but I see him how he, little bit of, how he handles the team and all of that. So
He's a perfectionist, basically.
Workaholic.
Acha, when he decided to move from being a strategist, managing other people's campaigns, running other people's campaigns, to becoming a politician himself, were you happy or were you apprehensive?
I was apprehensive in the beginning, but I knew that he can do it because he's very focused, very kind of, determined that if he takes up something, he's going to pursue it and, he's going to do it well. So when he did it, I knew that he must have thought over it quite a bit.
But you were nervous in the beginning?
I was a little worried about,
क्या होगा?
about how he would, and then coming to Bihar, being here without family and all of that.
Yeah.
I was a bit worried that, that when he said that he would not go back till he completes his Padyatra.
Yeah.
So that's it, because we have a child and, the son would also miss him. And
Yeah.
I could still come every month and meet him. But for our son, it was very difficult.
It must have been very tough for you because he's been here and you have a whole life, you're a doctor, you're a parent, and you're having to do everything yourself.
Yes, because, I think that's the support that he needs from my end. Rest, if I can't take care of the other side, then it would be a big problem for him. So I'm happy to support him in whatever way I can.
What's with the white kurta pajama that he always wears?
No, it's me and my son who told him to wear white.
पहले तो वो black t-shirt पहनते थे.
वो तो अभी, because you cannot go around
गर्मी
wearing
में, हाँ.
And then in between he had started wearing colored kurtas. But both of us felt that white looks best.
Do you like his beard?
No, I don't.
Little bit Rahul Gandhi ने जैसे उगाया था.
Not that
Just a
much.
joke,
Like, I think he needs to trim a bit.
Huh?
The hair.
So have you
especially.
been telling him to get
The
rid of his
hair.
beard?
Huh?
Have you been telling him to get rid of his beard?
Not the beard, the hair. I think he needs a bit of a trim.
अच्छा ये बताइए, what is your hope for him? As his wife, as his partner, as somebody who knows him more than anybody else, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि at the end of this election, what would your wish be for Prashant Kishore?
Definitely, I would want him to kind of succeed. And, after 3 years of hard work, giving up, totally focusing on Bihar, giving up all his, comforts, other interest in life and all of that, he's completely deep down into it. Don't you think so?
I do think so. I do.
And do you think this isn't a very tough job?
It's very tough.
What
It's
he's
very
doing,
tough. It's very tough.
non-stop focusing.
Yeah.
Going inside in the. So
Yeah.
definitely, if one works so hard, don't you think he deserves success?
How are you coping with having him full time here?
Initially it was little tough, but then you get used to it, and I do keep visiting him very often.
So basically, Prashant Kishore's success is not possible without you.
If you agree.
I do agree.